Morning! And it's a gorgeous Wednesday morning. During our tropical heat wave. And it has been deemed tropical because it's not going below 20 degrees of an evening. So we're not doing too bad, but it is very hot, very sticky. All in the wrong places. So, small update. Everything's going reasonably well. The 26 quid's worth of Dashcam has died. It turns on and then soon afterwards turns itself off. So yes, the camera system, Dashcam system, I haven't really investigated it or anything. The horn works fine, which is where the camera's powered from. So it's not like it's reliant on its own internal battery which keeps dying. But for 26 quid, it gave me an idea of what it could do, what a Dashcam could do, and it worked really well apart from when the sun was behind you and then you just could not see the picture at all. So yes, all the camera system will be stripped out and, well, I'll check it over, but if it can't stay on, then it's no use having it on any of the bikes. Might be worthy of future investment, but the cheapest I've seen, proper motorbike Dashcam, waterproof and all the rest of it, was 150 quid. Whether the image on that or indeed the screen anti-glare or it's got some sort of feature that stops the sun obliterating the picture, I don't know. But that might be worth it a few quid later on. But for the moment, I'll put up with the mirrors on mediocre and I'll tear all this off. Not the accessory bar, because obviously that's a major upgrade. Squirrel, missed him. Oh, that blew a few of the cobwebs away. There you go, see? It all works. That's asking for the SD card, which is buried inside. I put it in the wrong way round. Like other devices, they stop you from putting it in too far the wrong way round, but no, not this one. I pushed it in, it's like, oh, it's saying there's no SD card. By then, it's missed the spring loaded bit, so you can't pop it back out. Effortless. Yes, I don't know whether it's the vibrations of the bike or what that turns it off, but it's definitely not happy. So it's got to go. Oh well, it was worth the experiment. And what little footage I did use was fun enough. It doesn't take much for me to feel like I've got my money's worth. Oh dear. Throwing his money away. Again. But there you go, just a quick update on a little commute to work. Bike seems to be running fine. I've used it for the past 3 days because I've been very naughty, and in the evenings I've been putting my mesh jacket, see, mesh, and my jeans in my top box, and just going home in my shorts and t-shirt. There you go, camera's died. Can't take it no more. Which has been gorgeous, and I know. Yeah, I know all the ifs, whens, whys, whats and buts, but I enjoy it, and it's something all the time I'm riding bikes, and all the time we're having this tropical weather, because, you know, in the, like now it's about 20 degrees now, what are we on? Bike saying it's 21 degrees outside, and that's fine for the mesh jacket and the jeans. I'm totally comfortable, but when I'm coming home and it's 32 degrees and I've just been sweating my cobs off at work, it's not so good. See that situation there, that lorry driver, that lorry had reached the roundabout before me, so technically he had right of way. But he stopped because I was the faster moving vehicle. But ultimately, he got to the roundabout first. He commands the rules of the roundabout. So all you people out there that are getting to roundabouts, and just because you're holding a greater speed as you hit the roundabout, if someone's already on it, whether that's by their front bumper or just got their front wheel on the roundabout, technically they've got right of way. You only give way to vehicles approaching from your right on the roundabout, not nearly on the roundabout or getting close to it, on the roundabout. So bloody behave yourselves and stop doing your stupid videos where you're trying to cause carnage just to get views. It's ridiculous. And most of you on 125s or scooters, which makes you dickheads to start with. That's rude. I wasn't a dickhead when I was on 125, and there's probably plenty of other people out there that weren't dickheads on their 125s, and indeed aren't dickheads on their 125s now. That's just a little disclaimer for you. Anyway, that's enough from me. I've got to do a day's work, and it's going to be a bloody scorcher again. Oh, ta-ra.